Okay, language explorers. So let's look at the noun, on Monday noun, police. Police. So an organization, so people that get together that are responsible, in charge of, responsible for prevention. So something happening, preventing, detecting, and investigation. Of time and to keep public order. So here we are, to keep public order. So to make sure people follow the rules. Yes. Yeah. Enforce the rules. Yes. How cool is that? So we'd say he is a member of the police. Police. This is a job for the police. We listen to the police. Okay. This is the police's job. So we have this is the police's job. That was needed by the police. All the police will be here. So, police, that means that police is one singular, and polices. This is the police's building. This is the police's car. 2 plus, police. That was the old police's building, but not anymore. But not anymore, no. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. So, the police were here already. The police arrived just now. The police arrived just now. Yeah. I think the police were here before you. We're here before you. Yeah. And do you think the police are there now? Maybe the police might already be there. It's possible. I'm not sure. I don't see any police. I don't see any police. Yeah. Yeah. And I think the police will know what to do when they're here. So eventually, the police will arrive here and they will take care of the scene. They will take charge. That's the police's job. Yes. How cool is that? Do you see all those police cars? Do you see all those police cars? All those police cars. Police being singular, but cars being plural. Yeah. All the police's cars. All the police's cars. The cars that belong to the police. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Very good. So, police, an organization that keeps public order and enforces the rules. The rules. Okay. So, can you use police in a sentence? Can you write police in the comments? And that sentence in the comments below. And give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And remember, you can follow me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.